Are you ready to sell your house like a professional? Well, I am really excited to announce a class I am doing that will help you prepare you with steps that are necessary and strategies to sell your house without a real estate agent. That's right. In this free class, we'll dip our toes into the intricacies of selling your home. We're going to talk about how to prepare your house for the market. We're going to talk about photography, open houses, and other ways to market your home online. But that's not all. We're going to cover paperwork, contracts, and negotiations. Okay, you might be wondering, well, what about the traditional services that a real estate agent provides? Well, we can cover that too. We'll look at all sorts of options for you, from doing it on your own, hiring another real estate attorney, escrow officer, or even a real estate agent.
And here's the best part. By attending our class, you'll walk away with some tools and steps and learn some ways to finance your next house and some resources to help you along the way.
So no matter where you are in the home selling process, we will help you walk away feeling empowered and knowing your next step with confidence.
So mark your calendars and come join us.